Learn English to Gujarati, therefore to certainly with.
તેથી,
And.
ચોક્કસ.
Welcome to the Tiny Drama Club. Hey, you're about to learn 8 super useful Gujarati words through a slightly chaotic story. Relax, listen, repeat, and enjoy the mess. Today our stars are. Therefore.
તેથી,
Nevertheless.
તેમ છતાં,
Perhaps.
કદાચ,
Of course.
અલબત્ત,
Actually.
ખરેખર,
Unfortunately.
કમનસીબે,
Hopefully.
આશા છે કે,
And certainly.
ચોક્કસ.
Think of them as the spice mix of conversation, tiny words, big flavor. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just follow the story and let the words stick to your brain like glitter on a sweater. When something causes a result, use
તેથી,
for, therefore. When life says no and you still continue, use
તેમ છતાં,
for, nevertheless. When you are unsure, use
કદાચ,
for, perhaps. When you answer with confidence and warmth, use
અલબત્ત,
for, of course. When correcting or revealing the real truth, use
ખરેખર,
for, actually. When things go wrong, sigh with
કમનસીબે,
for, unfortunately. When you wish for a good result, say
આશા છે કે,
for, hopefully. When you are totally sure, use
ચોક્કસ.
for, certainly. A very serious story about snacks. Now let us learn with a story. It is educational, emotional, and deeply committed to snacks. Mostly snacks. I wanted to host the perfect study party. It was raining.
તેથી,
I stayed home and invited everyone over instead. The weather was terrible.
તેમ છતાં,
My best friend said he would come. Another friend texted.
કદાચ,
I will be late because my umbrella has chosen chaos. I asked, can you still bring tea? She replied.
અલબત્ત,
Exclamation mark single quote. But then she arrived with coffee. I thought you wanted tea. She said, I
ખરેખર,
wanted coffee and I assumed everyone else had excellent taste. Then disaster struck.
કમનસીબે,
Someone dropped the snacks. Crackers everywhere. One chip landed in my shoe, which felt unnecessary. Still, we cleaned up and said,
આશા છે કે,
the pizza arrives soon. 10 minutes later, the doorbell rang. Was it the pizza?
ચોક્કસ,
It was the pizza. At that moment, everyone agreed this was
ખરેખર,
a successful study session. Quick meaning drill. Let us make the words easier by hearing them clearly one by one. Repeat after each item if you want to sound extra impressive. Therefore.
તેથી,
Cause, then result. It rained.
તેથી,
We stayed home. Nevertheless.
તેમ છતાં,
There is a problem, but you continue. I was tired.
તેમ છતાં,
I kept working. Perhaps.
કદાચ,
Maybe, maybe not.
કદાચ,
She is at home. Of course.
અલબત્ત,
Friendly certainty. Can you help?
અલબત્ત,
Actually.
ખરેખર,
The real situation. He looks serious, but he is
ખરેખર,
very kind. Unfortunately.
કમનસીબે,
A small cloud over your plans.
કમનસીબે,
The shop is closed. Hopefully.
આશા છે કે,
Positive uncertainty.
આશા છે કે,
Everything will be fine. Certainly.
ચોક્કસ,
Strong confidence. I will.
ચોક્કસ,
Come tomorrow. Mini dialogues with maximum drama. You are about to hear natural little conversations. They are short, useful, and just dramatic enough to keep your ears awake. A. Why are you still inside? B. It was raining.
તેથી,
I stayed home. A. The road is long. B. Yes.
તેમ છતાં,
We can walk. A. Will Ravi come? B.
કદાચ,
A. Can you help me study? B.
અલબત્ત,
A. Is that tea? B. No, it is.
ખરેખર,
Coffee. A. Are tickets still available? B.
કમનસીબે,
No. A. Will the bus arrive soon? B.
આશા છે કે,
A. Are you sure this is the right door? B.
ચોક્કસ,
Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. A weird image helps memory. Your brain loves nonsense, so let us use that to our advantage. 4.
તેથી,
Imagine dominoes falling. Reason, result, boom. Therefore. 4.
તેમ છતાં,
Picture yourself marching through rain like a movie hero with dramatic slow motion hair. 4.
કદાચ,
Imagine a floating question mark wearing sunglasses because even it is not sure. 4.
અલબત્ત,
Imagine a robot butler saying, "Tea, sir," and you reply.
અલબત્ત,
Single quote. 4.
ખરેખર,
Imagine a bright lamp turning on and revealing the truth under a blanket of confusion. 4.
કમનસીબે,
Imagine a banana peel appearing exactly where your dignity was walking. 4.
આશા છે કે,
Imagine crossed fingers, warm tea, and a hopeful smile at the sky. 4.
ચોક્કસ,
Imagine a giant green check mark falling from the heavens. You try it. Now it is your turn. I will give you the English idea, and you try to recall the Gujarati word. No pressure. Okay, maybe tiny pressure. What is the Gujarati word for therefore?
તેથી,
What is the Gujarati phrase for nevertheless?
તેમ છતાં,
What is the Gujarati word for perhaps?
કદાચ,
How do you say of course?
અલબત્ત,
How do you say actually?
ખરેખર,
How do you say unfortunately?
કમનસીબે,
How do you say hopefully?
આશા છે કે,
How do you say certainly?
ચોક્કસ,
Tiny challenge round. Let us level up. Listen to the sentence and focus on why that word fits. You are not just memorizing, you are noticing meaning. It was late.
તેમ છતાં,
She continued. The word shows contrast and persistence. He forgot his umbrella.
તેથી,
He ran home. The word shows result.
કદાચ,
It will rain today. The word shows uncertainty. Can you come with me? Single quote.
અલબત્ત,
The word shows warm confidence. You think it is sugar, but it is
ખરેખર,
salt. The word reveals reality. Also, tragic tea.
કમનસીબે,
We missed the train. The word carries disappointment.
આશા છે કે,
Everything will be fine. The word carries hope. I will.
ચોક્કસ,
Come tomorrow. The word expresses certainty. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a small set of words that make your Gujarati sound much more natural and expressive. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
તેથી, તેમ છતાં, કદાચ, અલબત્ત, ખરેખર, કમનસીબે, આશા છે કે,
And
ચોક્કસ,
out loud in your own sentences. Come back, repeat the chapter, and use these words in real conversation. You are doing great, and with practice, you will remember them.
ચોક્કસ.